Okay, so good day everyone. I am your teacher for today. So I am teacher Jen. Okay, so our topic for today is all about interpreting a layout plan in food processing. Okay, so first let us know what is fish processing. So fish processing refers to the processes associated with fish and fish products between the time fish and caught or harvested and time final product is delivered to the customer. Next is the characteristics of fresh fish. Okay, so we must know the quality of the fresh fish. So first is the eyes. So the eyes of the fresh fish is bright and bulging. Pupil is velvet. Black cornea is transparent, while the eyes of the spoiled fish is dull wrinkled, and sunken pupil is dull black cornea is opaque. Next is the gills. So the gills of the fresh fish is bright red, covered with slime odor. Under gill cover is fresh, while the gills of the spoiled fish is dull brown or gray with cloudy slime. Odor under gill cover is sour and offensive. Next is the body of the fish. Excuse me. So the body of the fresh fish is bright, while the body of the spoiled fish is faded. Next is the scale. So the scale of the fresh fish are intact, while the tail comes off easily. Okay, let us proceed the grading of the fish tuna. So the grade 1 tuna, this consists of strictly fresh fish processing the following. So eyes clear and bright, gills bright red color, fresh odor, firm flesh and intact belly walls. Color of the body must be bright. Absences of discoloration, loose scale bruises, abrasion cuts, punctures, or other injuries. Next is the grade 2 tuna. This consists of the chilled or frozen, which is quick or sharp, fish is which failed to meet the requirements for grade 1. So the eyes clear and bright, gills bright red color, fresh odor, firm flesh and intact belly walls, normal body color characteristics of the species. Absences of discoloration, loose scales bruises, abrasion, cuts, punctures, or other injuries. So next is the grade 3 tuna. This consists of fish which to meet the requirements of grades 1 and 2, but which has the following characteristics. So the eyes, slightly sunken pupil, which is grayish, gills, slightly discolored and shiny, body covered with somewhat milky slime, abdomen of belly walls slightly soft, odor slightly sour and somewhat like bread or weak acetic acid. Okay, so let us proceed the receiving. So this is the activities of the fish processing. So this activity includes sorting and grading of raw materials according to size, species, and quality. It also includes desegregating suitable from unsuitable, one says. Next is preparation. So this include the preparatory steps such as scaling, eviscerating, washing, cutting, brining, and pre-cooking of fish by steaming, blanching, or boiling. Next is, this is the following of cleaning the fresh fish. So first is scaling. Next is cutting, eviscerating, but don't forget to wash before brining. Okay, so next is the processing or sterilizing. So this activity involves the final and complete sterilization of the processed finished product. Next is storing. So storage room is provided for storing finished products such as canned or bottled fish, smoked fish, pickled fish, and other processed fishery products. Proper storage will also extend the shelf life of the product. Excuse me. Next is the packaging. So this processing activity involves the wrapping or enclosing food on fish products in bottles or in cans for purpose of protecting and preserving the finished products. Okay, so next is labeling. So the purpose of this activity is to give the correct information about the product. Okay, so fish processing layout. Okay, so this is our main topic for today. So this is the layout of the ideal processing room. Okay, so the processing area, we have here the gas. Okay, so the processing area, we have here the gas cooktops, freestanding sinks, refrigerator, fire extinguisher, and toilet. Okay, so the application. So this is the following question of the application, and I want you guys to answer. Okay, so number 1 is, why is it important to know the freshness of fish? Second is, how do we know if the fish is still fresh? Okay, so next is the evaluation. So number 1 is, why do we need to package the food? Next is, what is the steps in cleaning the fresh fish? Last is the assignment. So I want you guys to draw or cut out the picture of fresh fish or spoiled fish and give the characteristics of each part. Okay, so that would be all. Thank you.